organy tuning, the most beautiful guitar tuning there is in my opinion. The notes are C, G, D, G, C, D. It's not very easy to pronounce like that cat, so Steve Bauman, who came up with this tuning or popularized it, called it organy tuning after the Orkney Islands in Scotland, even though that's not where the tuning originates from. Now what's so special about this is that the notes don't create a basic major chord, it creates a sus2 chord. Now maybe you know the piano trick where you play a sus2 chord and change the bass notes any way you want. Well, you can do the same thing on guitar here. Any bass note. This can be great for songwriting. I mean, you can just have a pretty chord wherever you go. You don't need to play a lot, you don't need to take a lot of strings into account. You can just change the bass notes and you got a good sounding chord. So that's great already. There's a simple shape for a major triad, of course. You can just play it 5-5-7 up there as well, or 5-5-6. You could play that up here as well. And of course you can move this up and down any way you want to. And then you can play a major chord in the bottom and just have those jangly open strings at the top, making the chord pretty wherever you go. I don't know, I just love the sound, man. Now this tuning lends itself amazingly for beautiful chords and you can write songs with it very easily. It was surprisingly easy to me. I love the childlike exploration that came with playing in a new tuning anyway, and I started writing songs in it back when my girlfriend and I got together. Let's give you a little sample. She doesn't know her wants in life, well I know mine, and she helps me thrive. I'll get to know her, though I've known her quite a while. As we're getting through the storm we're going through right now, and God knows she's playing the long game. You're a dog lover, teacher, making me wait. You're a deep thinker, cuddly and the perfect babe. You are wound-lick and understanding what it all takes, but you make anyway. Yeah, you're making me wait. I thought that was pretty cute. I kind of like this song. But it lends itself to other stuff than this as well, because the tuning has this second up in the top, a major second, which is kind of weird, but this makes it really useful to let the melodic notes rub up against each other. And this creates a sort of harp-like effect that's being used in, well, Celtic music, for example. I came up with this little arrangement based on Stephen Wake's arrangement of She Begs She More. Let's see what it sounds like. if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe because you'll get more of it. Either way, I want to hear about your adventures with alternate tunings as well, because it might inspire me to do some new stuff that I haven't tried out yet and I'm having a lot of fun with it. For example, Colin Vance came up with a Celtic version of Fireflies, a link somewhere in the description probably. And he inspired me to make my own little version of Fireflies just on the acoustic guitar in Orkney tuning, and that's what I want to end you off with. See you guys next time. And if you guys want a full version of any of the stuff I've played, I'd love to hear about it as well. I could make some videos, or I might even have some videos still left over from my music days, so who knows. Or I'll just record some new ones. We'll see. Either way, I hope you fell in love with Orkney tuning as much as I did. Please do try it out because you can play some beautiful stuff with it. I hope you have fun. See you guys next time.